Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Young Family in our YouTube channel. Today is February 16, 2025. In today's video, I'd like to share with you what's going on in my vegetable garden. Stay tuned. Okay guys, every year we always grow many different kinds of vegetables. Doesn't matter in the front yard and the backyard. We do not have to buy any vegetables in the local grocery store. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some vegetables in my backyard. Actually, in my backyard, I grow a lot of different kinds of vegetables. But I don't want to show you one by one because just recently, I increased the height of the backyard wall and put the new paint on this wall. And I'm going to build a trellis on this wall for the summer vine and fruit, vegetables. Actually, in the past 1 or 2 weeks, we had a lot of rain in Los Angeles area. You can see a lot of weeds grow in my backyard. And meanwhile, the vegetables kind of grow very fast. So that's why I want to make a video to share with you some of my vegetables. Let's get started. Okay, in this raised garden bed, I totally grow 3 different kinds of vegetables. You can see right now it's really crowded because I just mentioned in the past 1 or 2 weeks, we have a lot of rain and the vegetables grow really fast. So let's take a look at on the left side. Actually, this is kind of, I don't know what's the English name. I bought, the seeds from China. It shows like this one. They call it quick dish. From sow to harvest, you just need 25 days. Actually, I don't think it can grow so fast. Actually, I germinated, this kind of seeds last year. At the beginning, it didn't grow very fast. After I transplanted into this raised garden bed, just recently, it grew really fast. So you can see, it's kind of like light green color and very tender. So you can hear, very tender. So I have never tried these vegetables, but I'm going to harvest some today. So this is called quick dish. I don't know exact English name. And here, this is a lettuce. This is last year. I also grow a lot, for salad. It is called, let me take a look at this one. I purchased this seeds from local store. It's called Paris Island Cross. It's very popular, vegetable, variety in local area. You can see very good, especially for some salad. Nice, actually. And here on the right side is bok choy. So basically, this is a very popular, common, Chinese cabbage. So basically, I grow these vegetables in a small container at the beginning. The germination is really high, very crowded. Later, I just transplanted some from that container into this raised garden bed, but kind of some is already began to flower. You can see flower, right? So, but anyway, this kind of vegetable you can grow all year round. So some vegetables here, I think they infected with aphids. So that's why you can see some leaves kind of a little bit curved. So anyway, this is my vegetables grow in this raised garden bed. It's very crowded. So right now, I think I can harvest for everyday dish. Here, I want to show you some cilantro. You can see, nice. Actually, it grows really fast once established. So right now, I cannot use all this cilantro, to be honest. But anyway, a lot of my coworkers and my friends, they like cilantro. So I already shared some cilantro with them. They really like it. So maybe I can keep some, for just a harvest, seeds for the next year or later this year to grow new cilantro. Okay, this is another raised garden bed. I want to share with you this white radish. Take a look at. You see, nice. I just hold it. This one, you see here, it's really big. This is relatively small. Another one is giant. Oh my God, the shape is kind of weird, actually. I don't know. It's kind of overgrown. And this one is a small one. I don't know. Here and here. This is big one. That is okay. And the other side, you can see another. Can you see that? Another big one. So basically, we already harvested some, the radish leaves for any dish, and you can see a lot of flower. So actually, this kind of flower, it's very easy to infect the aphids. You can see here aphids. So I'm going to cut off these flowers. But anyway, I'm going to harvest some leaves to eat. Maybe just in the near future, I'm going to harvest all this red radish. So guys, I just want to share with you some of my vegetables in the vegetable garden. You see, very, very nice. So guys, if you like today's video, please give us some up, like, share, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.